Step into the Ford 2013 Edge Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AM/FM stereo with single CD MP3/navigation, Class 2 trailer tow package with trailer sway control, driver entry package, equipment group 302A, vision package, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player and MP3 decoder. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.